In today's IT training industry, students are looking for hands-on experience, flexibility, and cost-effective learning solutions. To meet this demand, LearningGate has developed a blended learning online classroom solution that can help you advance your IT and cybersecurity career from anywhere. LearningGate is a revolutionary next-generation online training center that combines the latest technology-based solutions, bringing you the most efficient learning experience available. During your online classroom sessions, you will receive on-demand lectures led by industry experts, as well as hands-on labs on our web-based live equipment and online mentoring by a certified instructor who can interact with you one-on-one in real time to assist you with any questions, all under the guidance of your dedicated training coach. We take learning seriously, so we made sure to take online learning a step further. For a super affordable price, you will get access to our training program with 10 live instructor-led online classroom sessions and enjoy a learning solution like none other. Learning does not get any more flexible, affordable, or easier than this. Together, we can make your IT and cybersecurity career dreams a reality. Contact us at info@learninggate.com today for more information.